PowerPoint presentation. In this assignment, you will create a new PowerPoint presentation for the business Perfect Party Planners. Here's a tip. Be sure you review the reading and practice 1 and 2 before completing this assignment. Step 1 asks you to start a new presentation by starting PowerPoint 2010. I did open PowerPoint and I have a blank presentation. You can tell by the title at the top, it's Presentation 1. Save the file name with Perfect Party Planners followed by your name. So step 2, you want to click on File and then Save. Select the location to save, and it's going to be Perfect Party Planners, and we'll say it's Jane Smith, and then save. Step 3 asks you to enter the title and subtitle on the title slide. So the title slide is slide 1. You'll click in the right where it says click to add title, and the title is Perfect Party Planners. The subtitle is Let Us Make Your Party Special. So you'll click where it says click to add subtitle and type in the subtitle. Step 4 asks you to insert a new slide, which will become slide 2. So you'll click on the left side here and click New Slide, and we want a title and content slide. Step 5 asks you to type in the following content as indicated in the instructions. So the title on the slide will be Why Perfect Party Planners Should Be Your First Choice. Then there are 3 bullet items, so you'll click down below where it says click to add text. We can help you determine what type of party is right for your business. Press enter, it automatically makes your second bullet point. Step 6 asks you to add another slide, which will become slide 3. So again, I'll click on the left side, click Insert New Slide, and on this slide you're asked in step 7 to insert a clustered column chart. So remember, you can insert a chart by clicking on the chart icon on the slide. You want to select a column and you want to move your mouse across the different icons until you find one that says clustered column. And then click OK. Now when you add a chart, PowerPoint automatically opens an Excel spreadsheet so that you can put the data into the chart. So your step 8 asks you to edit the data using the information in the instructions. So in row 1 here we have a basic, average, and deluxe. These are the packages they offer. And the first category is food and drinks. And the basic price is $2,500, and the average is $4,000, and the deluxe is $8,000. Now notice when you're entering the information in the spreadsheet, it's automatically updating your chart. Category 2 is flowers, $500 for the basic, $1,200 for average, and $3,000 for deluxe. The next category is photography, and that's $500, $1,000 for average, and $2,500 for deluxe. And the last category is venue rentals, where they're going to hold that party. $100 for basic, $500 for average, and $3,000 for deluxe. So you can see now that we have all the categories here, all the amounts showing on the chart, and the key here tells you which color is for which item. Step 9 asks you to save the Excel spreadsheet using the file name Perfect Party Planners Excel chart data. So you'll click on and Save As, and you'll select where you want it to go. I'm going to put it in my class folder, and I'm going to call it Perfect Party Planners Chart Excel chart data, and save. Step 10 asks you to close the spreadsheet. You can do that with the X in the upper right corner. Your chart should look like this. So you should have the correct categories, the correct labels, and the correct amounts showing on the chart. Step 11 asks you to type a title in this slide, and the title is Typical Party Costs. Step 12 asks you to apply a theme to match your presentation style and design. So you'll click on slide, I usually start by clicking on slide 1, and then you'll click Design, and you're going to select a theme that matches your presentation. You can choose anything you want, so be creative. Remember, you have a lot of themes to choose from by clicking on that drop down arrow. So maybe we'll select for this one green theme. Step 13 asks you to select the chart in slide 3 and apply a blue chart style. So you're going to select slide 3, and here you're going to select the chart, and you're going to click up here on the chart tools under design, and you want to select a blue style. So as you scroll down here, you'll find a blue style. Step 14 asks you to select and add an appropriate clip art image to slide 1. So we'll click on slide 1, click Insert, Clip Art, and in the Clip Art search box we'll type Party and click Go, and I'm going to select this clip art image. After you select the image, you can close the Clip Art pane. Step 15 asks you to size the clip art on slide 1 to approximately 3 inches by 3 inches. So you want to click one time on the clip art to select it, and up here in the upper right corner select a size, and we want to increase this to 3 inches. Now notice as we're increasing the height, the width is going automatically to keep it in proportion. So when it gets to 3 on the top, the bottom is close to 3, it's 2.67. And we'll leave it that way because it's in proportion. So one part of the dimension is 3 inches. Step 16 asks you to position this clip art on slide 1 so that it is centered at the bottom of the screen. So I'm going to click and hold with my mouse and drag it down. Depends on the theme you selected, you'll get it close to center there on the first slide. Step 17 asks you to save your presentation again. So you'll click on the save icon here, and then you will submit this presentation to the Week 5 Assignment 1 Dropbox.